Here's a 2018 Kia Soul. For space and style that gets you noticed, this fun and functional compact wagon is the perfect urban charmer. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, wireless phone connectivity, manual telescoping steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Kelley Blue Book praises its modern and expressive exterior, matched by a well-appointed interior offering features not found on sub-midsize and near-luxury models. Kia, commanding attention. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Visit Pohanka Hyundai, King of the Beltway, today. We're conveniently located on the Capitol Beltway at Exit 13, 1770 Ritchie Station Court in Capitol Heights, Maryland.